Alright, we're back out here on New Melones. We're going to do an update on the Old Parrots Ferry Bridge. It's been a bit since we did the last one. The lake level has been falling all summer long. Today is September 27th, so the water should continue to fall until about the first week of October, and then we might see it kind of stabilize. But you see on the graph here, we have our contour. This is showing a map of the Old Parrots Ferry Bridge. We're just going to go slowly over the top of it. I'm going to switch to the down scan so we can maybe see what the bridge looks like. This is a clear image of just kind of a downward camera, and there's the bridge. And we just jumped right up on top of it. You can see the little handrails on it on each side and the top of it. So it looks like it's in about 35 foot of water, so we're going to still need to see 35 more feet of falling water to actually see the top of the bridge. So I don't think we're going to see it this summer. Hopefully we don't. We want more water in the lake. But it's kind of cool. That's a good image of what the bridge looks like underwater using sonar.